Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the iPhone 17 Pro Max is updated and logged into iCloud. This unlocks Apple Intelligence. Once done, open Settings and enable Siri and Intelligence Plus on device features. Make sure microphone and camera permissions are granted so AI can analyze context. Then enable live processing and personalization in privacy settings to let models use local data securely. This first stage prepares your phone to run real-time suggestions, visual analysis, and voice understanding. Next, you configure and lightly train Apple Intelligence so it matches your workflows. Open the Intelligence settings, pick writing tone and voice, and connect the apps you want it to assist with. This is where you decide how proactive suggestions appear. Then provide a few examples: preferred email replies, calendar nuances, and frequently used phrases. Once trained, the model refines behavior from local signals. Make sure to sync contacts and calendars so contextual suggestions are accurate and timely. To finish, you start using Apple Intelligence in daily tasks. Press the side button or say the wake phrase to get suggestions and accept or edit them inline. Once comfortable, build shortcuts for repetitive flows like travel packing or expense replies and test each automation. If the assistant performs poorly, first reboot the phone, then check app permissions and network. If problems persist, reset Apple Intelligence's learning data in settings to retrain from a clean slate and restore expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.